multiplication. Max and Otto are going to play a game of tennis. Let's look at what they brought with them. They each brought a bag of 4 rackets. How many rackets are there in total? Since there are 4 rackets in each bag, there are 8 rackets in total. Now let's take a look at how many balls they brought. How many containers are there? There are 2 containers. How many balls are there in each container? There are 3 balls in each container. How many balls are there in total? There are 3 plus 3 balls, which is 6 balls in total. They also have a packet of grips. Otto worked out a way to calculate the number of grips in the packet without counting them all. First, we can count the number of columns, which is 3. And then the number of grips in each column. 2. To work out how many grips there are in total, we can add 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 6. Let's look at another example. To work out how many balls Max has, we're going to count how many columns there are. There are 5 columns. Now we're going to count the number of balls in each column. Very good. Just like before, we can add the number of balls in each column. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 to work out how many balls there are in total. Instead of writing a long, repeated addition problem, we can write it a simpler way using multiplication. First, we write the number of balls in each column, which is the number that is repeated. Then, we write the multiplication symbol. After that, we write the number of columns, which is how many times the 3 will be repeated. Finally, we write the result. Five times 3 equals 15. Let's look at one last example. Calculate the result of this multiplication problem. Very good. Max turned the multiplication problem into a repeated addition problem to work it out. Remember that 4 multiplied by 3 is the same as 4 added 3 times. Otto decided to make equal groups. He made 3 groups with 4 dots in each group. He has 12 dots in total. Amy decided to make a grid. She drew one containing 4 rows and 3 columns. How did you do it? By treating the multiplication problem as a repeated addition problem, Drawing equal sets like Otto? Making a grid of rows and columns like Amy? Or did you work it out another way? Now you know how to multiply. Try practicing with some other exercises.